Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is October the 20th, 2020, and on today's video, we will update you all on XRP and pay attention to what the trap has been doing since our last video, which was about 3 days ago, and see whether or not we are still on course on the par to continue to see the lowering of value for every XRP crypto that is out into the market today, or will we see the market go higher? So today, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, if you guys appreciate the content, to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel as well. Join us on other social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, even on our own website. We are at all those locations just to make sure that you all have an understanding and stay abreast of any of the information that we feel that is pertinent to you. All right, so let's go ahead and get started into the market today. For XRP, like I told you, let's pay attention first of all to what the trap has done to the market versus our prediction. And you guys can see on October the 17th was the last time we did our video in XRP, and we expected the market to go lower in price, and so far it hasn't done it. But so far, ask yourself the question, are we exhibiting strength into the market for XRP? Or are we simply just consolidating into the market for this market for XRP? That's the question you need to ask yourself, because the market so far, even though it's not trending in a biased direction, we're just consolidating still. So that doesn't alleviate that we're not weak into the market in XRP. Definitely need to remember that. Okay. And from the last 2 days, especially today and yesterday, we're still getting that continuation of selling into the market for XRP. So nothing has changed in regards to where the market is headed for XRP. But we need to look at those last 2 days to see what really occurred in the market for this cryptocurrency. So let's take a look at the market real quick on the 3-hour time frame. You guys can see that the volatility has increased somewhat. We have the opportunity to see the trap increase the value of XRP momentarily. But you can see right here on this 3-hour chart that it didn't have any follow through. So that strength that came into the market in XRP, it was fake. It wasn't real. It was false. So we are still under the impression that yes, even though the market in XRP was able to give us a little bit of increase in price, we still did not break ultimately that 26-cent price. That area for us is going to be crucial for the market to continue to see weakness. If we don't break above 26 cents, we are going to continually expect the market in XRP to consolidate and then eventually move to the downside in price. Okay. And again, on the 4-hour chart, you guys can see here that as what was expected to where we had our restriction area on our last video on the 17th, it is still holding firm as well too. So 25 cents, it is still plaguing the market in XRP for going higher. So we have at least two things in our way to continue to allow our forecast to go the way that we planned, which is lower in price. All right. Now real quick, before I let you all go, I know you guys have a very busy life. Everyone else tries to spend 25-30 minutes on their videos just to talk about nothing. But for us, we're here to give you all the expectations. If anything changed, we will do that. If it didn't, we'll continue to go on with our forecast of which we originally had. And when we look at the market in XRP on the 3-day time frame, again, 25 cents, 26 cents are those two areas of restriction into the market for XRP on the near term. Okay, I'm talking about on a daily basis to an hourly basis. This is where the market trap is having issues of increasing the value of XRP. Don't expect higher price until we see this market break those two levels. And you guys can see here as I zoom out that we are still trending within this triangle. So as we continue to go further and further to the right of this price chart, a decision will be made as to whether or not we'll go higher, whether or not we'll go lower. Okay, for the most part, the weakness is apparent for this time. So the breakage of this ascending line is greater than the breakage of that descending line. 5-day chart, again, the market is still weak, specifically On this 5-day chart, I'm definitely still seeing instances of where we're not getting any strength. And that 26-cent area, I'm still emphasizing, is going to be a hard area of restriction for the trap to move the value XRP higher. 3-week chart, still seeing weakness here too. We have 5 more days left, 14 hours before this current 3-week bar will end. And it just continues to show that the market is not eager to move higher in price. All right. So on this particular video, I don't see anything on these multiple price charts that will substantiate us to change our forecast that we had into the market for XRP. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to continue to go on with this forecast, and we're not going to change it. We're still expecting some weakness to go on to the market for XRP. I'm not quite sure where we had our TP at. So if one of you guys know, let us know where we had our TP at into the market. It may have been, back here around 23.5 cents. Ultimately 23. Okay. And so far what we're getting into the market today still lets us know that the market is getting faked out of it trying to go higher in price. All right. So we definitely would like your input. Give us your comment as to what you think the market in XRP is going to do. For us, like I told you, we're going to continue to go on with this forecast of what we created on October the 17th and just continue to let the trap work. And our eyes needs to be focused on 25 cents and then ultimately 26 cents to see that strength into the market. Now, what do you see? This is your opportunity to tell us your expectations and your prediction. We need to get to the prime location before the trap takes the market there in order for us to grab profits out, to get the bag, and then we get out the store. All right. So tell us what you guys are seeing. What's your TP price? Are we going to go higher or lower in the next 3 days? Leave us a comment. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, we will speak again on our next video.